Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to move MetaMask to another phone. So let's say you were previously using any phone and you have purchased now a new phone, and now you must be wondering how you can move your MetaMask details into some another phone. Then it is quite easy thing to do. So first you need to have your old phone in which you have your MetaMask account installed. Now you need to tap on the gear icon in the bottom right hand corner and select security and privacy. Now here you need to select the secret reveal phrase option. So in order to reveal it, you just have to tap on reveal, and then it will ask you 3 questions which you need to answer as per your knowledge. These would be very easy questions. These are just to test your knowledge. So you just have to provide the answers to the quiz in order to get your recovery phrase. Now once you are able to find your recovery phrase, you just have to copy that and keep somewhere safe. Now once this step is done, you just have to launch your new phone, and you just have to simply download and install MetaMask account into it. Now once it is launched successfully, instead of creating a fresh account, as we want to move our MetaMask to this phone, you just have to select the first option that would say import using secret phrase. Now the secret phrase that you have copied from your previous MetaMask account, you just have to provide that over here. Now create a new password and then confirm a new password. You can even use the fingerprint sensor if you want to, then tap on the import button, and this way you will be able to get your MetaMask into the new phone. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.